6, a cubed, b squared times a to the 6th, b cubed. This is a really misunderstood problem. We sometimes see it with parentheses like this. In fact, look at down at number 9. Um, Whether it does or doesn't have parentheses, it doesn't matter. It's the same problem because all of this is multiplication. This has nothing to do with distributive property. And the fact that they put a times dot there and they didn't put it between the other A's and B's is just there to kind of confuse us. In fact, one of the things I recommend doing is that maybe just rewrite it and look at the problem. Since there's not much work to show in this module, doing this step that just takes a few seconds, and I know not much has changed, but it does kind of give us a lay of the land or the problem, and then we can start to apply the rule. If we're multiplying with the same base, we are going to add the exponent. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Do you need to draw this little grouping thing, whatever you want to call this? No. I'm just kind of focusing in on which ones have the same base. So these do, and we get b to the 2 plus 3 is 5. So our final answer is a to the 9th, b to the 5th. And it's also okay to not show any work. Another way, though, if you do want to show some work that some people like to do, is they like to reorder their terms and put the a's near each other and the b's near each other. That also works. And that's the commutative property of multiplication that says that we can multiply in any order. Technically, I guess these aren't terms because terms are separated by add, subtract, but the parts of this one big term, you can reorder them. All right, let's go into Desmos and type this in. A shift 6, 9 will arrow out. If you press the arrow key over or click over, you can get out of exponent, and then B shift 6 and 5th. We also want these in alphabetical order. So that would mean that A is first and then B.